Sending emails to multiple users one by one, that's slow and inefficient. In this video, I'll show you how to create a group email in SmarterMail in just a few minutes, so you can send one email to everyone at once. In the previous video, I covered the complete installation process of SmarterMail in a VPS. If you haven't seen it yet, you can check it out from the playlist or the link in the description. So let's get started. To create a group mail, first go to your domain. Inside the domain, open the account section. Here, you'll see multiple email accounts. These are all individual email IDs. Now, to create a group mail, go to the alias section. We are going to create an alias, and this will work as our group mail. Click on New. Now, enter the alias name. The display name will appear in front, so you can set it as per your choice. Now, here we will add email to the group. In my case, I will add these email accounts to this particular mail group. You can also add a description for this mail group if needed. Below, you will see some other options for this group mail. These are optional settings. You can configure them based on your requirement and then simply save it. And that's it, the group mail has been created. Now let's check whether the mail is working or not. Here, I already have some mail added to the group. Now let's send some mail to the group. First, create a new email. And in the To field, enter the group email ID. You'll notice it automatically detects it as a group mail. Now, simply write your message and send the mail. Once the email is sent to the group, we expect it to be delivered to all three email accounts. And done. As you can see here, the mail has been received in all three inboxes from the group mail. And that's it. This is how you send an email to the group mail. One more important thing. When you want to reply to the email, remember this. There are two options available: reply and reply all. If you click reply, the response will go only to the person who originally sent the email to the group. But if you choose reply all, the reply will go to the entire group and also to the original sender. As you can see on the screen, that's how both options work differently. And that's it for this video. Now you know how to create a group mail in SmarterMail and how to send and manage email using it. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Also make sure to check out our videos in the playlist, or you can find link in the description, where I have already covered SmarterMail installation step by step. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.